In this video, we are going to see about molecules. When an atom combines with another atom and forms a compound is called a molecule. Two or more atoms, when one atom combined with the same of that atom or with some other atom is called as an molecule. When an atom combines with another atom and forms a compound is called a molecule. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. Definition of molecule: a molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. Here it is given as oxygen. Oxygen gas in the air that we breathe is made up of two oxygen atoms. So what the gas we are breathing in is oxygen. What we are exhaled is carbon dioxide. So both are an molecule because in oxygen two atoms of oxygen combine to form a one molecule. Two atoms of oxygen combine to form a one molecule. What we are breathing in? When we are exhaling carbon dioxide, carbon is an one type of atom and oxygen is an another type of atom. Both the atoms combine and form a molecule carbon dioxide. From this we can understood what is a molecule. Molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically combined. Then we are always saying about an pollution. Because of pollution, ozone layer is depleting. So what is an ozone? Ozone is a substance made up of three atoms of oxygen. The air, the oxygen, the gas we are breathing in is oxygen, that is made up of two atoms of oxygen, O2. What the layer we are talking about, ozone layer depleting, is also made up of oxygen, but it is a combination of three atoms of oxygen is called as ozone molecule. An atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen combine to form a water. The water which we are drinking is an molecule. Why we are saying it as a molecule? It consists of three atoms in the ratio two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So water is a combination of three atoms. One is oxygen and another two is hydrogen. So the chemical formula written as 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. It is the formation of water molecules. Molecules also exhibit properties of matter and have individual existence. Here we are seeing an water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. What is a form of hydrogen? Hydrogen is in a gaseous form. Oxygen is also in a gaseous form. When these two things are mixed in a 2:1 proportion, it becomes an liquid format. It becomes an liquid format. When it is in liquid, it will be exhibit the property of liquid. It won't exhibit the property of their individual, that is gaseous. Okay, that here the sentence is a molecule can formed by the same or different kinds of atom, and the matter also exhibit the properties of molecules, also exhibits the properties of matter and have individual existence. Molecules can be classified as follows. What we said about a molecule? Molecule, first we have studied an example oxygen, then I said about an carbon dioxide, then we studied about an water molecule. So what is the first molecule we have studied is oxygen, ozone, carbon dioxide and water molecule. You can see that oxygen and ozone are combined the same atom with another atom which combine with the same atom is called as a molecule which contains only one type of atom is called as monoatomic molecule. So what is oxygen is a monoatomic. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule because it is two atoms. A molecule which contains only one atom, which containing only one atom is called as monoatomic. A molecule which contains two atoms is called as diatomic. Example, oxygen, nitric oxide, hydrogen. oxygen O2, nitric oxide NO, N is one atom, O is another atom, so two atom. Oxygen O2, two atoms of oxygen, so diatom. Hydrogen H2, two atoms of hydrogen, so it is also an diatomic molecule. A molecule contains three atoms is called as triatomic molecule. H2O, water, ozone, sulfur dioxide, carbon 1, oxygen 2, carbon dioxide. So totally 3. Sulfur dioxide, sulfur 1, oxide 2, dioxide, no, 2, 2 oxygen 3, ozone O3. So these are all contains 3 atoms, it is a triatomic molecule. A molecule containing more than 3 atoms are known as polyatomic. More than 3 are called as many. Polyatomic, phosphate, sulfur, etc. are the examples for that. So in this we are studied about the classified of matter, molecules. What are the classification we studied? Monatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. Monatomic consisting only one element, diatomic containing two atoms, triatomic containing three atoms, polyatomic more than three. Monatomic example inert gases, diatomic example oxygen, hydrogen, triatomic example ozone, carbon dioxide, and polyatomic example phosphate, sulfur, etc. Molecules of an element consist of fixed number one type that we will see once again. So this is the oxygen molecule.